Hi guys. Okay, so this tutorial is about your pie charts. So the pie charts are the best way currently that we have to see the overall balance that you achieved throughout your day. So in order for us to see your pie chart, you have to send it to us. This is great for us for a couple of reasons. For one, it gives that immediate exchange and accountability. We are asking you to take action in taking a screenshot of your macronutrient pie chart because we cannot see it. We as friends on Myfitnesspal cannot see your pie chart. We can, however, see all of the items you enter in throughout your day. So we'll ask you to take screenshots of your pie charts for the day once it's been completed and then send it to us at your designated sending time that your coach will give you. So let's look at how to do that. Okay, so we're going to start here at the home screen and we're going to go into how to take that snapshot of your macronutrients. So actually you can see at the top here that it's going to show you a little breakdown of your macronutrients on the home screen. However, we don't necessarily want that one. We will want a different one. And you'll be able to find it in two ways. The first one is you can go to your food diary. This will be at the end of your day once you've completed all your meals. When you want to complete a day, you'll go up here and check this, complete diary, and it's going to save that information for you. And it's also going to tell you what your, projected weight might be and give you some other information, but I have to say that this usually isn't very accurate, so don't really mind that. So what we're going to come to is the bottom of the page, and we're going to look for this nutrition bar here. You're going to click on that guy, and it's going to give you multiple tabs. It's going to show you calories, a breakdown. This is a nice breakdown. We have an even spread throughout the day, nutrition, and macros. This macro pie chart is the one that we are looking for. So in order to take a screenshot, you will hold that top right-hand button and the power button down here, or the circle button, at the same time, and it's going to take a screenshot for you. From there, you will be able to prompt it to save it in photos, and from photos, you'll be able to either email it or send it in a text message, whatever you've decided is best with you and your coach. This is a very important piece of the puzzle. So here you can actually see the goals that you're shooting for in percentages and what you've actually gotten to in terms of totals, as well as the grams in carbohydrates, fat, and protein that you've reached for that day. And then you can actually look deeper into it and see the foods that were highest in carbohydrates, highest in fats, and highest in proteins for your day, so you can kind of look back and check and see what you might want to do differently the following day.